Hey everybody, welcome back to Watch on Wall Street. My name's Chris.
I'm Connor.
We got another watch spotlight for you today, and something's a little different. It's for the gamers out there. So what do we got today, Connor?
So today we are spotlighting the Hamilton Khaki Field Auto Far Cry 6 edition.
Limited edition.
Limited edition, yeah.
How many pieces?
1,983. There's a little story element mixed in there with it from the video game itself.
And the character Danny Rojas wears it in the video game.
Not only that, but your playing character can wear it as well. It's an equipable item.
So what are the specs about the watch, Connor? What do you got there?
So we've got a titanium case, as well as this really interesting and kind of different leather NATO strap. As you can see, it feeds through the back there. Hopefully you can see it.
And another distinctive character of the Far Cry 6 edition is that the 6 o'clock hour marker is the Far Cry 6 logo, which is pretty cool.
Also comes with a display back, which is hidden by the NATO at the moment, but it's cool.
And then in the box also we've got the, I call it a travel roll, kind of unrolls, the watch can be stored in there for travel. It also comes with the tool that's needed to change out the second strap that comes with it in the box.
Really excited for y'all to come and see it. Have a great day.
Yeah, definitely come out and check it out. We'd love to see you here at Watches on Wall Street.